Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best OBD2 scanner for DIY. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Foxwell, model number, GT65. GT65 allows for the coding and programming of a replacement control module or changing previously stored incorrect coding as expensive factory tools do. The module can be recoded. Coding also is known as teach-in program or component adaptation. It is the process of selecting and activating one program for a specific vehicle from a set of programs that the factory installed in the control module. This allows one control module to be used for different models, countries, and emission applications. Programming is the process of taking a blank control module and then adding the correct vehicle program to memory. Live data self-learning and alarm when live data over range. View live vehicle sensors data in a text, graph and gauge formats. Get access to powertrain, chassis and body systems. Easy to use with large 8-inch LED touchscreen and menu-driven operations. This diagnostic tool is capable of providing power for 14 hours of continuous operation. Foxwell GT65 car scanner can match, learn or code the newly replaced ECU, customize your car, unfold the hidden features or disable the annoying functions. Reprograms the adaptive data for certain components after repairs or replacements. The fast response diagnostic scanner Foxwell GT65 is a creative tool for checking and solving vehicle problems, which aims at offering a full maintenance and inspection in one scanner. It's definitely a great choice or gift for car owners, DIYers, car dealers, technicians, mechanics and automotive engineers. Number 4. Brand name, Uncell. Model number, DS700. Uncell DS700 diagnostic scanner added more advanced features, such as ADAS calibration, online coding, online calibration, flash and unlock hidden functions, VIG guided functions, auto-auth for FCA SGW, setting and changeover, modification for BMW, component matching, customization and personalization for worldwide vehicles etc. It is a new generation modular high-end intelligent diagnostic device and a must-have tool to work on modern cars. Comes with a multitasking Android 10.0 operating system, 10-inch touchscreen, fast quad-core processor, 4+ 64GB storage, features fully updated software and ultra-extensive vehicle coverage design. Extensive advanced matching capabilities, rich professional diagnostic functions and powerful hardware configuration etc. It is the ideal scanner for professional dealer tech, professional repair shops and auto DIY enthusiasts for all-around fixes and comprehensive testing. The operation process and vehicle information are so user-friendly presented that you can quickly navigate through to find what you need to get the vehicle fixed. Users can record and save important information or operational problems through the screen recorder feature, so that they can replay and review them or send problems to our technicians for help. It is used to record and establish the file of the diagnosed vehicles. The file is created based on the vehicle VIN and check time, including all VIN-related data such as diagnostic reports, data stream records and pictures. 12-in-1 data streams graph is displayed at the same time, allowing users to easily compare data to find problems quickly. Users can customize the data stream options to be viewed as well. Uncell DS700 tablet scan tool features bidirectional control ability. It sends commands to many systems or components to test their working status to find faults, without using the vehicle controls. Uncell DS700 car diagnostic tool includes both OBD2 and all systems diagnosis, such as engine, transmission, ABS, TPMS, SRS, EPB, SAS, ESP etc. but also comes with intelligent diagnosis and 12-in-1 real-time data stream graph, allowing you locate your vehicle problem in a few minutes. Meanwhile, advanced ECU coding function allows you to flash the hidden features, or disable the annoying functions and reprograms the adaptive data for certain components after repairs or replacements. Finds the electronic systems installed in your car automatically and matches it with the right diagnostic software for fast and accurate vehicle diagnostics. Use this automotive scanner to perform diagnostics via Bluetooth 5.0 connection from a distance without tangling cables. By using the remote diagnostics function on the menu, users allow our technical engineers to control the tablet device on the user's PC via TMViewer software, thus helping the user to solve operational problems or other confusions. It is not only eliminating customer worries, but also realizes technicians' reality to diagnose abnormal vehicles from thousands of miles away. The lightning of the car maintenance light indicates that the vehicle needs maintenance. Reset the mileage or driving time to 0 after the maintenance, so the maintenance. Uncell DS700 can work with wireless tire pressure diagnostic tool to achieve the feature of TPMS activation, programming and learning. Upgrade your software anytime and anywhere via Wi-Fi at your fingertips. The coding function is used to reflash the vehicle control modules. It allows you to reprogram adaptive data for certain components after making repairs or replacements. Number 3, Brand Name, Foxwell. Model Number, NT809BT. NT809BT is newly developed diagnostic scanner with Android 9.0 operating system. It inherits the same Foxwell advantages in car fault diagnostic tech, such as multi-manufacturer coverage, service functions and accurate test data, making it the perfect tool for busy garages or workshops who need the latest technology at unbeatable value. NT809BT Foxwell Bluetooth Wireless Diagnostic Code Reader OBD2 Scanner can do the active test and send commands to each systems or components to test their working status to find faults without using the vehicle controls. Great for narrowing down the problems or for maintenance like brake caliper resets when replacing the brake pads. NT809 could be the most competitive choice for anyone needing a bi-directional tool, such as those home mechanics, DIY car owners, advanced hobbyist mechanics, car repair garage and workshops. The diagnosis report can be saved, shared, and printed. You will need it for further analysis, communication or assistance. Online one-click update. No complicated process, saving your valuable time. Number 2. Brand Name, Launch. Model Number, X431CRP919E. Launch CRP919E newly added bi-directional or active test to match with full system diagnosis, which is significantly reduce your diagnostic time. Launch X431CRP919E bidirectional scanner allows you to request information or command a module to perform specific tests and functions to verify system components status effortlessly in seconds, while observing the resulting data to troubleshoot and fast repair, significantly saving the mechanic or workshop loads of time and helping them get through more jobs every day. Launch CRP919E support full system diagnosis function, including read and delete fault codes, read freeze frame, read vehicle information, active test and reset service. Launch CRP919E is a cost-effective scanner that performs OE-level diagnoses on all available modules, which can read or clear codes, view live data of multiple sensors and text, graph and analog, freeze frame data, retrieve ECU info and active test for ECM, ABS, SRS, TCM, EPB, TPMS, SAS, AC, BMS, ESP systems etc. One click to scan all ECUs. Detailed diagnostic reports will help you easily master the car situation. More user-friendly features, great convenience for diagnostics, fully OBD2 functions, battery voltage monitor, auto-generated diagnostic report, DTC lookup library and etc. This top entry-level automotive diagnostic tool provides 31 plus reset functions, which can perfectly handle daily repair needs for car workshops and DIYers. It has high bandwidth and a faster data rate, which is suitable for transmission of a large amount of data and greatly improves the communication speed, which can work better with OBD diagnosis. Once the scan is complete, a diagnostic report will be generated automatically to list the detailed inspection result. You can save it, print the report, or share it in PDF format for expert advice. Launch CRP 919. The Auto Diagnostic Scan tool comes with the latest VIN-based auto VIN scan technology that enables technicians or home mechanics to quickly identify vehicle information, like brand, year, make, model and etc. Number 1. Brand name, Thinkscan. Model number, Thinkscan Plus S7. Thinkscan Plus S7 OBD2 Diagnostic Scanner is suitable for car repair technicians, small and medium-sized repair shops and personal car owners who deeply love DIY vehicles. Thinkscan Plus S7 OBD2 Car Trouble Code Reader Diagnostic Tool with the battery voltage test so that you are able to monitor the battery voltage timely. Its main functions include not only OBD2 standard protocol diagnosis, but more importantly, it has professional vehicle diagnosis software and maintenance software, which can perform comprehensive diagnosis on all vehicle electronic control systems. Different series support different systems and functions. The Thinkscan S7 OBD2 scanner support oil, EPP brake, TPMS reset, SAS, DPF regeneration, sun reset, ABS bleeding, IMO reset, TPS, AF, CKP, CVT and so on. The targeted factors will be shown in single graph or multi-graph, and you can merge 4 graphs together. This will help you create a medical record for your car and record the status of your car.